Hi guys, hope you will be fine. This is my PC, and this is this PC option. I have opened this PC option, and one thing is very irritating for me, and I hope it will be also irritating for you people. This PC shows all the partitions of my hard disk. Yes, it's showing C D E F G H J, but one thing which irritates me is that H drive. It's a very small partition, only a 467 MB. It has no reason to be here. So I should, and I think you people also want to remove this drive, which is irritating you and me also. And in this video I will tell you how can I remove this unuseful partition. To do this, it's a very simple task. You should right click on this PC option, and now you should choose manage option. In manage option, you will see disk management. You will see disk management, and in this disk management portion, upper portion of disk management option, you can see here all the partitions of your hard disk. Here you can see H drive. Select H drive, right click on H drive, choose option change drive letters and paths. I am choosing it. When you choose, there is 3 tabs here. You should click on remove tab. When you click on remove tab, it will ask you some precautions, and here I should ignore these precautions. Yes, I am ignoring it. Yes, I have ignored it. Now you can see in this PC option there will be no, and now you can see in this PC option there will be no any irritating drive for you. Yes, there is no any irritating drive here. Yes, I have succeeded in removing this drive, this unuseful drive. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. Thanks for watching it.